Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to use Luma AI. So first head over to Luma AI and log in with your account. To see here I'm already logged in. So you have 3 options here to choose from. Either choose brand identity or infographics, or photo product photography, or slide deck or trailer. So we're gonna start with infographics. Click on infographics here. So here you have the hand to create stunning infographics with simple prompts. So for example, type in generate image here on the top bar and select the nano banana or GPT image. We're gonna select GPT image. Add here a description, for example, a skull on fire, and hit on create. And here you should be ready your image in a few simple seconds. So Luma AI is generating our image with a single prompt, and just wait for there. You can also talk with Luma AI where the image is being generated here. So, as you see, our image is successfully created. You can also choose to add a sample brief or a creative brief here. For example, you can add a target audience, narrative flow, topic and scope of your creatives and formats. Here you can also create a brand identity with Luma.ai. So you can choose to take him to design full website layout with all the requirements that you have. You can also add the text here. You can also add frames, etc. You can upload media also. So you get the idea, guys. With these 2 options, you can select also the product photography. Add a product photography layout to make photography for your products. So you can select a sample product, sample scenery, etc. guys. So, and you can edit this, edit the color, frame, label, info, generate other one, for example, with LGBT image. And that's it, guys. We learned a few simple steps how to use Luma AI. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe the video, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.